Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Earlier this month, we featured the perfect steak here on Tiny Kitchen. And if you're a meat eater, I encourage you to check out that video. I'm gonna leave a link to it at the end of this video in the end card. Just click on that, it will take you right there. But since that video, we have had an overwhelming response. And by overwhelming, I mean 2 of you who happen to be my friends wrote to me saying, hey, love the steak, but what about that Rockin' baked potato in the background? How do you make that? Well, I hear you, I'm listening. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Rockin' baked potato. This is a spud like no other, so crank up that oven, 'cause it's time to bring it. So what you're gonna need are russet potatoes, olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and for fixings, butter, sour cream, cheese, bacon, and chives. You'll also need a mixing bowl, baking sheet, tongs, and aluminum foil. Potato, 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 potato. Which one to use for a baked potato? Well, these are sweet potatoes. They make great baked potatoes, but that's not what we're making today. We've got these great red potatoes. These are a waxy, smaller potato. They're great in potato salad, but not for baking. We've got our fingerling potatoes, which, well, we seem to have lost because they're like that big, so you can't bake that. Which leaves our final 2. We've got our Yukon Gold potato here, which is a nice, dense, waxy potato. It can be baked, but it makes a better French fry. Which leaves, dun, da, 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 the russet potato, otherwise known as the Idaho potato. These are a great all-purpose potato, super inexpensive, and they come in a variety of sizes, from these great side dish size to a huge monster main course size. They're gonna give you a great exterior skin that's nice and crispy while giving you a great firm yet fluffy interior. It is going to make, dare I say, a rockin' baked potato. Let's get started. So we've got our potatoes in a bowl here. I'm just gonna drizzle it with a little olive oil. Now I'm gonna use this hand to roll them around and get them all nice and coated. This hand I'm gonna keep clean. And once they're coated in that olive oil, I'm gonna season them with some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and paprika. Paprika is going to give it a nice smoky flavor. We're going to finish that off with a healthy portion of salt. Now I'm using kosher salt because I like that flaked salt. It gives you a little extra texture on the skin. We'll go ahead and flip these over and season the other side the exact same way. Then we can place our potatoes on our baking sheet that's lined with aluminum foil. Now a lot of times you might see baked potatoes wrapped in aluminum foil. Do not do that. All that's gonna do is give you a soggy outer skin and a steamed spud. What you want is a nice crispy outer texture, and you're gonna get that by placing it on a baking sheet, popping it in a 400-degree oven for exactly an hour. If you wanna turn it halfway, I won't judge. So check this out, a little X marks the spot on the top of the potato, and then I just squeeze the ends together to reveal that beautiful fluffy interior. Topped it with some of my favorite toppings. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make a rockin' baked potato in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Rockin'. So check this out. A little X marks the stop. So check this out. I just, there we go. That's all I needed. It just was a fork down there.